Okay, good evening, everybody. So the suspense is over as far as the JEE main exam dates are concerned. A lot of people, a lot of students and parents were anxious to know about the dates, and continuously we used to keep getting calls as to when the expected dates would be. There are no surprises. We've been saying from the beginning that the exam would be there in the last week of July or first week of August. The only surprising thing is the limited notice that we have. We have barely 2 weeks. In fact, it's been announced today in a very hurried manner, basically to give that 2 weeks window which the NTA authorities have promised earlier that they will give us 2 weeks notice, and they've given us 2 weeks notice. So the April session or the third session would be conducted from 20th to 25th July, and the session 4 would be conducted, that is the May session, would be conducted from 27th July to 2nd August. Now, what are the other details that we have? In terms of the application window, students have the option of either applying or withdrawing. So you can apply now or withdraw. Already there are about 6.9 lakh applicants for April session and about 6.09 for the May session. So now the NTA authorities have given an option. You can either withdraw from any particular session. You can also apply afresh. So what are the dates? So in fact, before coming here, I just checked up. The application window is open. So students who want to apply today can apply. So 6th to 8th July 2021. Last date for payment is also 8th July. And the dates of exams are 20th to 25th July. And session 4, 9th to 12th July. So the application window is from 9th to 12th July, and the last date for applying is 12th July till 11:50 p.m. Couple of points that you need to keep track of. In session 4, you can apply for the paper 2A and paper 2B, but the applications have to be separate. So April you can apply for paper 1 and May paper 2. You have to apply in two separate modes. Then students who have already applied for the April and May sessions, like most of you, you have the option of correcting them or changing a few things. One of the most important things is that the NTA has opened up a more number of centers. So you can take a center which is closer to your place of residence. So you can exercise that option now. So all those who are not comfortable with their centers can choose among the new centers and change their centers. That is one. Second is that you can also modify particulars regarding your category. So category can be modified, but the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is because of the extremely short time frames, okay? So there is not going to be a correction window. So earlier there used to be a correction window that was available where you could go back and correct. Now, whatever details that you enter, if you are entering afresh, they will be frozen. You can't go back and correct. So these are the most important things that you need to keep in mind. So what do we have now? What is it that the students have to do at this stage? There's nothing much that you can do at this stage. You can't start from scratch, or you can't start on new topics, etc., etc. What all you can do in this next 13 days or so is to get into the examination mode. So what you can do is take a few grunt tests, see that you get back your stamina, fine-tune your preparation strategy. Don't try to do anything ambitious in this next 13 days. We've been operating on that mode for the last couple of weeks at Nano, and I think that is the mode that you should use. Also, do not panic at this stage. Everybody is in the same boat. The same 2 weeks notice is there for everybody, for all the aspirants all over the country. So nothing new for you. So do not panic. All right. You've gone through several months of preparation. These exams were supposed to be conducted in April and May. We've got some extra time. You guys have made use of that time. So just go and do your best. And remember that this is going to be a competitive exam. So what you need to do is perform better than the rest. That is all that you need to keep track of. And then finally, starting tomorrow, there'll be a lot of noise in social media. There'll be a lot of students who will be asking for postponement, cancellation, and things like that. This tamasha happened last time also. Don't get distracted by this. Don't even touch social media, because the government has made up its mind. Just as last time, the government will not change the dates. Government will not postpone. Government will not even cancel. So don't even get into that mode. So just go ahead and do your job. Don't get distracted by this sideshow. I'm telling you, I think starting tonight itself, there'll be Twitter trends and there'll be a lot of posts asking for postponement and cancellation. So don't worry about that. These things will not be postponed or cancelled. I think the government has taken a calculated decision. This is the best possible time. And then one final note is that considering these time frames, JEE Advanced most probably would also be in August. So all those people who are seriously preparing for JEE Advanced, get into the examination mode. JEE Advanced most probably will also be in August. So all the best, friends. Do your best, and it's the best thing to happen now. Let's get over with it, because we've been preparing for this for so many months now. I'm sure you're all sick and tired of this waiting. I think you should just go and give it your best shot. All the best.